Hi, this is Dr. Ace Thayer at SoulCal Chiropractic, where we strive to elevate your knowledge about how single effective neck adjustments can change your life forever. Every week I work really hard to produce really great content of amazing stories with amazing change. But I'm also aware of subscribers wanting awesome neck cracks. So I've tried to remain true to my roots and provide unbelievable neck cracks with unbelievable results. So it's important for me to produce something different than all the other neck cracking compilations you've seen out there. What do you think of this format? Do you like it? Do you want something different? Do you want just more neck cracks? Or do you like the videos I produce already? I'd love to hear your opinion. Please leave it in the comment section below. See you guys next time. Well, please, just heavy. Just think heavy, right? Good, there we go. Still okay, right?
Yeah.
Good. She's really kind of nervous here. Good. Wonderful. What is your initial take on that versus what you saw on camera?
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
Good. I'd love to hear that. Okay, now squat to the ground, please.
That feels different.
That was a 3 on the hip, and tell us how that felt different.
It doesn't feel like tight right here on the hip anymore.
Gotcha. Was it still 3 or is it 1? What is that?
One or
Gotcha. Good, nice. Okay, chin up for more. Good, relax. Good, nice.
Sleeping, I slept better.
Slept better?
I didn't wake up, which is good.
Is that unusual?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have a little sleeping problem here. Good. What was that like, kiddo? Painful or just scary? Or both?
Feels good.
Good. Good. Good. Good. Good, nice. What happens?
I guess I feel like I run out of energy fast,
Gotcha.
and whenever I get sore, it feels like really sore.
But the cool one was what?
Being able to sleep better, so I can like run better and I don't get tired easily anymore.
Yeah.
And now I can sleep better.
Yeah. Good. Good, nice. I'll try it low over here. Let's go the camera this way. Yeah, there we go. This side is definitely harder to adjust on you. I thought it was just the first adjustment, but good. Woo-wee! Did you hear that, dog? That was big, man.
Oh, yeah.
You got a big melon, too. Come towards me. There we go.
Oh.
Good.
Well, come and see this guy.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Good, nice.
Really nice.
Why'd you say it was really nice? That's just like all the other chiropractors, right?
Different.
How's the last one? Squat to the ground, please.
This is much better.
What do you mean?
Much better.
I don't understand what that means. People don't understand.
I feel better. I feel good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Yeah. I know, you're doing fine. Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
Woo.
Oh my gosh!
Good.
Oh lordy!
Good, nice. Are you messing with this? Is this as far up as you can look? Take a deep breath.
It hurts like
Headache. How about your headache right now?
about an 8.
Gotcha. Now, squat, please, for me. What is that at?
9.
And now,
I have no headache. I have no headache.
yeah, I have no headache.
I have no headache too.
Look at the ceiling.
About a 5.
Gotcha. Take a deep breath. Good. Now the best one, squat. Watch her. Good. Nice and easy. Good. No comment?
I've never had my neck just like that.
What do you think? Was it worth driving?
The hour and a half that I drove.
Hour and a
was
half,
like,
one way to come here.
I've been watching your videos for what, over a year, ever since this accident, and it's just like, you're skeptical. You know what I mean?
Good, nice. Can we have this? Good, nice. Look at the ceiling.
No, the tightness is gone.
All tightness gone.
Yeah.
So, brain fog gone, neck feels better. 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Now watch this, guys. I'm gonna put this table down. Go to lower. So look at the head. Look at his head height. Now, Ignacio, are you purposely keeping your head off the table?
No,
Okay, why can't you put your head down?
because my upper shoulders are very stressed.
Look at this, guys. He can't even put his head down. Good. Okay, sir, what was that like?
Awesome.
Okay. Good, nice.
Oh man,
What's, oh man, hurt a little bit?
a little bit,
Okay.
but it feels good. Yeah, definitely feels.
How does it measure up to what you thought it was gonna be?
I had no idea, but it just feels good.
Good.
Feels a lot better.
Good.
Yep.
Thanks for the video. Latte. Good. Okay. Good. That was really good. Why is she laughing?
El dolor me hace que me dé risa.
Yeah.
Ay,
¿Cuánto te duele?
ay, un 8.
8. Okay. Go back like this, please.
Igual.
That was an
siento
8
bien.
before. That was an 8 before, right? 8, I don't know. Is that, what is that,
Ahora me
Spanish? 8?
duele un 3.
Thanks. So a lot better, right?
Sí, me siento bien.
Go back.
No me duele ya.
Does it hurt?
Me siento bien. Un 2.
Just let it go, okay? Just think heavy on the table, okay? I'm not gonna go really hard. Just gonna be really accurate. There you go, much better. Good. Heavy. There we go, nice. So what do you think? Reality versus what you thought?
Oh, it feels good. My neck.
Okay.
I feel like my shoulders are dropped.
Stay down, stay down. Hey, get your ass down now. What's wrong with this?
I'm gonna fall and it's my legs.
How do your legs feel?
Tight, burning.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what is that? Stand
I
up.
would say a good 6.
And your back? What about your back?
The pressure about 5 still. No pain on my knees.
You were
just
6. Remember the 6 a minute ago?
no.
Squat.
Just it was a little
Okay, that was a 6 a minute ago. What is that now?
1.
Now what about your back? Remember your back was a 6 also.
Didn't feel the back.
Okay, come on. Good, nice. How's that?
Loud.
Loud?
Woo wee!
Wow. That was like 5 times more loud than the other side.
On this side,
Wow.
right? How is this different than the other chiropractic experiences you've had?
This is definitely, I mean, the way the procedure you do is, of course, very powerful. Nothing I ever experienced. And result immediate in my case.
Immediate.
And I feel like blood flush through my body. And you know, I've tried a lot of things before, like many specialists. Yeah, very powerful. I love it.
This one? Good. How was that, kiddo?
Oh, that felt really good.
Good. How about that? Same thing? Just
Yeah.
felt like a lot of bubbles, right?
Yeah, felt like a lot of relief actually.
A lot of
When you
relief.
twisted my neck, it kind of hurt, and then you like adjusted it, and now it feels really good.
Good with
Okay.
the
Headaches? How are your
dizzy-
headaches?
Gone. The headaches.
And the lightheadedness?
no lightheadedness at all.
Yeah. Beautiful. 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 Ooh-wee.
Yikes.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like I said, Jasmine works with us right now. Say hi to her when she call. Like, I saw you in the video! And we love her, and see you guys next time.